G'day there, Arnie here again from Arnie's Shack. And this is Bible Buddies. Great to have you and your family back as we investigate and discover more about our amazing God and how much He loves us all. This week, we have been learning about another one of the fruits of the Spirit, self-control. Using self-control with the words that we choose to use can really help those around us.
There can be so much power in what we say. The words that we use can keep people away. Words spoken with love can conquer all. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall. You can build a bridge or you can build a wall. The words that you choose make you climb or fall. Words spoken with love can conquer all. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall.
Stop and think before you open your mouth about the words that you choose before they come out. Words spoken with love can conquer all. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall. You can build a bridge or you can build a wall. The words that you choose make you climb or fall. Words spoken with love can conquer all. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall. You can build a bridge or you can build a wall. The words that you choose make you climb or fall. Words spoken with love can conquer all. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall. Words spoken with love can conquer all. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall. Our words can bridge a gap or build a wall.
So stop and think about that today and use your self-control to bridge a gap with those around you, not build a wall. Don't forget what it says in 2 Timothy 1:7. God did not give us a spirit that makes us afraid. He gave us a spirit of power and love and self-control. Anyway, our time is up for today, but I will look forward to catching up with all of you again next time on Bible Buddies. So take care, stay safe, and God bless.
Learn about our wonderful God each day.
Stop and learn. Hey, stop.